Two fighter jets slice through the sky at supersonic speed. One is born from decades of American combat dominance. The other, a refined evolution built with precision and innovation. The legendary General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon. And Japan's advanced Mitsubishi F2 Saxi. At first glance, they look similar, but beneath the surface, they are completely different machines. So the question is the Mitsubishi F2 just a copy of the F-16? Or is it something far more powerful? The General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon became one of the most successful fighter jets in history, used by dozens of countries, tested in real combat, proven across decades. But in the 1980s, Japan wanted something more. More advanced radar, better maritime strike capability, and a fighter designed specifically for its own defense needs. That's when the Mitsubishi F2 was born. The F2 was developed through a collaboration between Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Lockheed Martin. At its core, the aircraft was based on the F-16 platform. But Japan didn't just copy the design, they redesigned it, enlarged the wings, strengthened the airframe, and integrated advanced Japanese avionics. Step inside the Mitsubishi F2 cockpit. You'll find one of the first fighter jets equipped with an AESA radar system. This allows the pilot to track multiple targets simultaneously, with greater precision and faster response times. Meanwhile, early versions of the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon relied on older radar systems. The Mitsubishi F2 is significantly more expensive than the F-16. In fact, it became one of the most costly fighter jets ever produced per unit. Why? Because of advanced materials, custom electronics, and limited production numbers. Meanwhile, the F-16 is mass-produced, making it far more affordable. The Mitsubishi F2 Sext excels in maritime strike missions, equipped with advanced anti-ship missiles, designed to defend Japan's vast coastline. The F-16, however, is a multi-role fighter. Air superiority, ground attack, dogfighting. It has proven its versatility across multiple wars. Speed. Both aircraft are capable of supersonic flight. Maneuverability. The F-16 is famous for its agility. Payload. The F-2's larger wings allow it to carry more weapons. Each aircraft dominates in different areas. The real battle isn't just performance, it's philosophy. The F-16 was designed for mass deployment, affordable, flexible, battle-tested. The F-2 was designed for precision, advanced, specialized, and highly capable in specific missions. The answer depends on the mission. For global warfare, the F-16 Fighting Falcon dominates for defending Japan's airspace and maritime territory. The Mitsubishi F2 is unmatched. Two aircraft, two strategies, one shared legacy. The F-16 represents global dominance. The F-2 represents precision and innovation. As technology evolves, future fighters will go even further. But the story of the F-2 and F-16 shows how innovation builds upon legacy. The Mitsubishi F-2 stands as one of the most advanced derivatives of any fighter jet platform ever created. Two nations, two philosophies, one sky. If you want to uncover more secrets behind the world's most powerful fighter jets, subscribe now to Supersonic News. Because the next aircraft we reveal might be so advanced, it redefines air combat forever.